Is it time to buy or sell the Gap stock? In this video, we will explore the Gap in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 17th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of January, 2025, our system has identified the Gap as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.23. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 1.26%. This results in an average daily loss of 0.16% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $22.47 be breached, it could initially indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early alert for a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the present 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately 12.16% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.44% to 31.06%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of about 6.86% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between negative 8.40% and 37.77%. This suggests a price range from $21.49 to $32.32 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the Gap includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for the Gap Inc. stock after gaining 3.17%. The Gap Inc. stock price increased by 3.17% on the last trading day, which was Friday, January 17th, 2025, rising from $22.74 to $23.46. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.20%, reaching a low of $22.97 and a high of $23.71. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.64% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 844,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $86,840,000. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $30.75, while the lowest price was $18.39. Currently, the price is 23.71%, or $7.29, below the 52-week high of $30.75, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Gap Inc. continues to attract investor interest, as several recent analyses highlight its strong value proposition. As of January 17, 2025, Gap is identified as a strong value stock, benefiting from positive evaluations through the Zacks Style scores. Investors are encouraged to consider Gap alongside other apparel stocks that are notably aligning their products with consumer preferences, leveraging robust distribution networks to enhance growth prospects. Additionally, Gap has been featured in lists of top growth and value stocks, indicating robust earnings estimates and upward revisions, suggesting continued momentum. The company's performance, particularly in e-commerce, has showcased resilience, even amidst a challenging retail environment. In 2024, Gap achieved a 12% gain, with the revival of its Athleta brand contributing significantly to sales growth, outpacing competitors such as Nike and Lululemon. This strong performance, coupled with an improvement in operating margins over consecutive quarters, signals potential for further appreciation. In the short term, these developments could drive an uptick in Gap's stock price, fueled by positive sentiment and strategic alignment with market demands. Long-term prospects appear equally promising, as successful brand positioning and e-commerce expansion may enhance profitability and solidify Gap's market position, translating into sustained investor confidence. Overall, the combination of solid fundamentals and strategic growth initiatives positions Gap as a compelling option in the apparel sector. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Gap a neutral rating along with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 22nd of November 2024, it was reported that CFRA assigned Gap a hold rating with a hold action. On the same day, the 22nd of November 2024, BMO Capital also assigned Gap a market perform rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Friday, the 30th of August 2024, Telsey Advisory gave Gap a market perform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned the Gap stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of buy. The following signals have been identified for the Gap. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Gap Inc. stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term moving average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance at a price of $24.30 from the long-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support at $23.27 from the short-term average. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would issue an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 4th, 2024, and so far, the stock has decreased by 9.77%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger has issued a buy signal just 2 days ago. The short-term moving average also signaled a buy just 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average indicated a sell 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 11 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a sell signal 21 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 36 days ago. For more detailed signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for the Gap. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.04 and $21.52. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, the Gap Inc. finds support just below today's level at $22.04. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.52 and $20.62. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. During the last day, the stock moved $0.73, which is 3.2% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.61%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for the Gap, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 36 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the Gap. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the Gap is at $24.83. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, the gap encounters its first support level at $22.04. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for the gap from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 8, 2020, Chan Eric Cain executed an insider sale of 16,564 shares of restricted stock unit. On January 8, 2025, Chan Eric Cain also conducted an insider purchase of 16,564 shares of common stock. On January 8, 2025, Chan Eric Cain further conducted an insider sale of 6,230 shares of common stock. On December 13, 2024, O'Connell Katrina executed an insider purchase of 6,702,942 shares of common stock. On December 11, 2024, Fisher John Jay conducted an insider sale of 6,412 shares of common stock. Based on the 78 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 74.689. Overall, insiders purchased 1,150,683 shares and sold 4,088,478 shares in the last 78 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is the Gap stock a good buy? The Gap Inc. displays several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 21st of January, we anticipate that the gap will open down by approximately 8 cents and start trading at $23.38. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.